Lingocraft! Yeah!
Which one of our Lingokids characters is agile and clever? It's Lisa. Get your paper and pencils ready. It's time to draw our favorite cat. We'll start with a circle for her head. For her ears, draw 2 rounded triangles with a smaller triangle inside each one. Cats have furry faces, so let's draw Lisa's fur around her face. Draw 1 squiggle on the left side and then another squiggle on the right side. Great! Lisa has pretty big eyes. She needs them to see all the wonderful things around her. Let's draw them. For her eyes, draw 2 big circles, one on the left side and one on the right. Now for her pupils. Draw 2 smaller circles inside. And don't forget to draw her eyelashes like this. Let's draw her nose and mouth. Lisa sneezes sometimes. Achoo! Bless you, Lisa. For her nose and mouth, you'll want to make an oval between her eyes that reaches down almost to the bottom of her head. Then, make a little circle for the nose and a sideways letter D for her mouth. Don't forget to draw her tongue. Connect her mouth and nose by drawing a small line. Fantastic work! Now she's ready to take a selfie. Say cheese! Okay, now let's draw her body. Draw a rectangle going down from her head. Lisa loves to play sports and uses her legs to run and kick. Draw her legs going down from her body and then 2 circles at the bottom for her paws. Good job! Lisa also uses her arms to play the keyboard. Draw her arms by creating 2 lines going down each side of her body. Great job, Lingokids! Now it's time to get your crayons or colored pencils out. For the colors, you'll need orange, red, purple, dark brown, light brown, pink, and tan. Ready? Let's start with dark brown. Grab your crayon and color the pupils, the nose, and the mouth. Use the light brown crayon to color Lisa's eyelashes, the small triangles on her ears, and the line that connects her nose with her mouth. So far, so good. Next, grab the pink crayon to color her tongue and the tan crayon to color in the nose and mouth area. Now for her clothes. Use the red crayon to color Lisa's shirt and a pink crayon to color her shorts. And finally, use the orange crayon to color the rest of Lisa's body. Well done, kids! You did it!